everyone, welcome back to the vlog. In today's video we're going to be measuring out some pinhead crickets, and we've just found a pretty easy way to do it, and it's just a great way to understand how many crickets you actually have in every bin. So when you do start to sell, when you start to harvest your crickets, then you can actually have a better idea about how many crickets are in your farm. So yeah, let's get into it. So as you would have seen in previous videos, we don't actually have an incubator where we have our crickets all hatch into. We actually just put them straight into the bin. So here's just an example down here. We have all our breeding soils just in here, and then obviously the crickets hatch into here. We've got some food ready to go for them, and then they just pretty much grow out their life. But what we're finding in a previous video, you would have seen we had too many pinheads, and so this is just a way of us controlling our population a little bit better, and making sure that every pinhead that we have in this bin just here, that it can actually survive. So you can see all the pinheads just here on the side. And so what we're going to do is we're actually going to get these pinheads out of here, and we've got an easy way to do that. And we're just going to move them into another bin just to separate them. So up here in 21, this is an example that we've got set up already. So this is just the crickets. They've been moved in here. They haven't hatched there. And that way we just can have better control over our population. So alright, I'll show you what we do now. Alright, so we have our bin just here with the extra crickets in it at the moment, and we put these egg cartons just here to actually create a little bit more space, because we've got the egg cartons on the bottom underneath the breeding soils, but we'd find that the crickets would be looking like a bit more of a carpet. We call it a carpet layer, where they're actually sitting on top of each other. And if we start to see that, and I can show you an example right now what that looks like. And then what we do from there is we actually just put some egg cartons in there to create an extra bit of space. And then from here we grab these egg cartons and we tip them into here. Now you can still see there's plenty of pinheads all running on there, and then if we get one of these egg cartons out, we can actually show you just how many crickets are still in here. So there's plenty of pinheads all throughout those egg cartons. So we've only taken a fraction of the pinheads out of here so far.
You want to measure that?
Yeah, let's measure it. Okay, and then we've got this pretty nifty device. We've just got a rain gauge with a massive, what was this called? Like a funnel. Like a massive funnel. Sorry, it's a little brain fart there, forgot what I was going to say. So we've got a funnel here and a rain gauge just to measure out the crickets. And we do have a bit of food in there, but at the same time, there's still just a lot of crickets. It's really dense. So in there we've got
About 18 mil
of crickets, and what we're kind of running off of at the moment with how many crickets per millimeter is around about 1,000 to 1,500. It obviously varies on the different sizes, and then yeah, we tip them into their new home.
and go and get some more.
And then we go and get some more. Okay, in total, so this is going to be bin number 25. So we're going to keep a record of this bin, and we've just put pretty well 2 lots of pinhead crickets in here, and it totaled to about 32 mils. So you can still see them all up on the food, and obviously they're all down the side here. So yeah, 32 mils, so let's just say there's 32,000 pinhead crickets, like that's what we're assuming. So in 6 weeks time, what I'll do is I'll actually have a little update for number 25, bin number 25, and we can have a look to see how many crickets have actually come out of it, and we'll do a little measurement. So yeah, that's just a great little way for us to thin our population and have a little bit more control over it, and then also to have a little bit more awareness of how many crickets we have, so when we do go and sell them or we take crickets out of the bin, we can actually understand how many crickets we've actually sold. And yeah, because we've definitely had that trouble in the past where we've oversold too many, and then we've had to pull back orders. So yeah, that's what we do for the pinheads. That's the easiest way that we've found with our current setup, and it doesn't actually take that long. You've just seen it. There's nothing else. Like, we haven't done anything else apart from literally pull out the egg carton, knock it off, measure it, and then put it up there. So yeah, then what we'll do is we just keep all the records on file with like, we just got a computer next door in the second container. You would have seen that in previous videos. And then yeah, hopefully we can have a heap more happy crickets like these guys in here. So we've got them all up there. It'd be really, really great to see how many crickets are in there over time. So yeah, that's everything guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.